Let's replace a Stellar Falcon controller. You will need an Allen key set and some clippers to cut zip ties. Turn your wheel to the left for easy access to the battery. Insert your battery key and turn the latch to remove the battery. Using a 3mm Allen key, remove all 3 bolts holding the battery terminal. Using a clipper, cut the zip ties holding the 3 cables near the left chainstay. On the larger motor cable, twist to release the connector. Carefully unclip the cable organizer inside the frame. Remove the battery terminal and controller from the frame to expose the connecting wires. Unplug all connecting wires. There will be 4 wires. Unplug the controller from the battery terminal. With your new controller, plug in the battery terminal by matching the arrows on the connectors. Plug in the rest of the cables by matching the arrows on the connectors as well. Fold the cables and put the controller inside the frame while routing the larger motor cable and the controller updater cable through the hole at the bottom of the frame. Place the battery terminal on top of the wires. Screw back all 3 bolts holding the battery terminal. Align the pins on the motor cable and twist to seal. Push any cable slack into the bottom of the frame. Use a zip tie to organize the remaining cables on the frame's cable organizers. Reinsert the cable organizer inside the frame. Put the battery back into the frame, and then you're done. Need help? Call us at 866-729-8075 or email support@ufree.com.